I saw your question in the email. Horizontal beam safely supports a load P that varies jointly as a product of the width and the beam of the square of the beam's depth, and inversely with the length L. So that gives us this here. So P equals some constant K. P varies jointly with the width and the square of D. So that gives us the numerator inversely with the length of L. So that gives us this equation. They tell us the width is 7 inches, so you put that in here. The depth is 12, so it's going to be 12 squared. The length is 4. It goes here, and it can support 4,032 pounds. So we have everything but K. So you need to solve this for K. And that'll be the first part. And now I rewrote the formula again, and you'll know K here, whatever K is. Determine the safe load in pounds of a beam that's made from the same material. Now it's 14 inches long. So you replace 4 with 14, keeping the same width and depth. And just put K in here and put that in your calculator, and it'll give you the final answer up here. Let me know if you have any questions calculating this.